Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. Hey guys, Jiven here. So right now I have bed hair. As you can see, all my hair is being pressed down because last night when I was sleeping like this, so my hair is a little bit uneven. What I want to do now is take a quick shower so I can wash my hair and make my hair not have bed hair anymore. So after the shower, my hair will stick out a little bit more, and when cutting the hair, it'll be a little bit more even. Alright guys, so I showered my hair. I used my towel to quickly dry it off, and as you can see, it's slightly more even now. So yeah, I'm gonna say bye to my hair right now. Time to shave the sides. I'll just keep recording and cut whatever. Should I put audio or no audio? No audio.
No audio.
I'm not too sure.
Well, like it.
Huh? Just the top, don't touch anything. So according to the
this
top.
is not that good because like you can't. If I cut this side, like it's not gonna be good, right?
Why?
It's only good if I cut this side.
According to the top here, then match it.
What length do you want the side to be?
Alright guys, so this is how my hair looks after I got a haircut from my brother. As you can see, the sides are faded a little bit. It's called a lower taper fade, so short here, slowly all the way to long. Same thing on this right side here, as well as the back. Alright, here it is, my hair. Show you a quick 360 view of my hair. Front view, left view, as well as the right view. So yeah, it's been faded quite nicely, I think. The only thing I don't like about this haircut so far is that my top hair is still not long enough. As you just saw from my hair cutting video, no hair was cut on the top hair, just the sides and back. So yeah, I can see that I can put some hair products on my hair. Depending on which side I gel it, the hair will have some more texture. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, let me know down in the comments below and check back next time.